For the Rainy Day is a poem by A. Hamza, and the possible message attached to this poem is to remind people about saving culture that many of us don't have. These lines possibly talk about the reality of life, that all fingers are not equal. So let us live according to our capacity. Time waits for no one. So make good use of your time before it's late. Save today, it would save you tomorrow. This poem is a powerful poem that triggers at economic aspect of human life. So it goes. For the rainy day, refuge I seek in the name of He who sent scriptures down, the capable that enable all the evils, 2 4 legs flying, nature and the unseen. Let us eat according to our farming. Eat, but not all. Tomorrow may be another day. Learn to save, it means don't fly like a flying 2 wings. They eat all, tomorrow care they not. Your day should be for full time. Your night should be for bedtime. Ignore yawning not. Know the nothing. I repeat, save as you earn. Stick to the wordings. 1/10 of all you are earning is yours, but for future use. Save for the rainy day. Stop counting all that glitz. Dung is a treasure and other hooks, particularly for the rainy day. Eager not, what goes round reflects. Clock is but always wise. Hand to mouth living is real, however superior than begging. Why do you underrate your own? Learn to save, for there may be a rainy day. Dance, but according to the music of your occasion. Do not eat, do not live at the expense of others, in a pity of a candle burning for others to see light. Save today, for it would save you tomorrow. Learn to save for the rainy day. For the rainy day by A. Hamza. Remember to subscribe for our YouTube channel, Home Tutors, for more and more of our creative works, as hot as they are.